Our aim of this video is to take a selection of the grass in this picture and paint it over the litter to make the litter disappear. Go to the Clone Stamp tool. In your Clone Stamp tool brush settings, ensure that you have a soft round brush selected and not a hard round. If I were to go with a hard round choice, you can just about see the line of the circle going around where I've just clicked on, and so this does not blend in well with the rest of the image. Press Ctrl Alt Z in Photoshop to undo. In this particular example, I'm going to set the brush size to 480 pixels because, as you can tell in my selection circle, I can copy a whole set of grass that I can use to draw over the litter. To make a selection, hold Alt on your keyboard. When making a selection, avoid going too close to the canvas edge, as in doing so, when you left click on your mouse and draw using the selection that you've just highlighted with your Clone Stamp tool, you may end up seeing the canvas edges, just like these lines here, which don't blend in well with the rest of your image. Avoid selecting parts of your image that appear further or closer than those surrounding the part of the image that you want to make disappear. In this example here, I'm going to copy grass that is further away. When I paint this over the litter, you can see not only have the canvas edges come up, but the grass is significantly smaller than the surrounding grass. In this example, I'm going to go sideways from where my litter is, and here I have a spot where the grass is grey underneath, a bit more green in the middle, and white at top. So what I'm going to do is hold Alt on my keyboard, left click once to make a selection. Let go of Alt again. When you are back at the image that you want to paint over, do not left click multiple times, otherwise you will be painting the same part of the image over again. Drag your mouse cursor over the part of the image you want to make disappear, left click, hold down and draw over the item in one go. And you're done.